Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, September 14th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. I stayed up late with some sales reports.
I know the feeling. I'm tired too after a long meeting last night.
Man, we're always busy, aren't we? Let's take a few minutes to chill.
Sounds good to me. What's new with you?
Oh, I saw something crazy online about international politics. Nepal's prime minister just resigned after huge protests.
Really? What happened there?
Yeah, it's wild. Young people got angry over a social media ban and corruption in the government.
That's a big deal. Why did they ban social media?
I think they wanted control or something. But people didn't like it, so they hit the streets to protest.
I can see why. Social media is how people share ideas and stay connected?
Exactly. Imagine if they ban it here. How am I supposed to post about my sales deals?
You'd be in trouble. But it's more than that. It's about freedom to speak.
True. Things got really bad there, though. Some people even lost their lives in the protests.
That's so sad. It shows how much people care about their rights.
Yeah, they fought hard. I just hope things calm down soon in Nepal.
Me too. It's a reminder how fast politics can change a country.
For sure. And speaking of change, did you hear the latest tech news about Elon Musk?
No, what's going on with him?
He's not the richest person anymore. Some AI tech leader took his spot just recently.
Wow, that's surprising. I thought Elon was always on top with his companies.
Yeah, me too. But this AI guy, I guess his company's stock went up like crazy.
That makes sense. AI is growing so fast. It's in everything now.
It's nuts, right? Elon has cars and rockets, and still an AI person beats him.
Well, AI is the future. Think about how it could help us manage projects or analyze data.
Maybe, but I'm old school. I trust my gut more than some fancy computer.
Haha, I get that. But I bet we'll use AI tools in our office soon.
We'll see. I'm sticking to my coffee and phone for now.
Fair enough. It's still amazing how tech keeps changing who's on top.
Yeah, it's a crazy world. Hey, did you see that other news about some missing kids?
No, what's that story?
It's from New Zealand. Some kids were missing for years, living in the wilderness with their dad.
That sounds unreal. How did they even survive out there?
I don't know. Probably hunting or finding food in the wild. It's like a survival movie.
It's hard to imagine. What happened to their dad?
That's the sad part. When they found them, the police had to shoot the dad.
Oh, that's terrible. How are the kids doing now?
I'm not sure. I just hope they're safe and getting help after all that.
Yeah, me too. It makes you think about family and how important safety is.
Totally. I can't even picture being away from everything for so long.
It's such a strange story. How do kids grow up in a place like that, with no school or friends?
No idea. It's like they lived in a different world.
Stories like that really make you think. We're lucky to have our normal lives.
For sure. I'm just glad I deal with sales calls and not crazy stuff like wilderness survival.
Same here. Managing projects is enough stress for me.
Hey, at least we've got this coffee to keep us sane. How's your day looking today?
Pretty packed. I've got 2 big meetings to plan some new projects.
Ouch. That sounds rough. I've got 3 client calls, so I'll be on the phone all day.
Good luck with that. Keep that coffee close for energy.
Oh, I will. I can't survive without it.
I feel the same. Coffee is my best friend in the office.
You got that right. Hey, any fun plans after work to relax?
Not really. Just going home to rest and maybe watch a show.
Nice. Sounds like a plan. I might call a friend and grab a quick bite.
That's a good idea. It's nice to unwind after a busy day.
Yeah, gotta balance the work stress. We work hard, so we deserve a break.
Absolutely. A little rest helps us come back stronger.
For sure. Hey, did you finish that big report you were working on?
Almost. I need a few more hours to wrap it up.
Nice, you're almost there. I've got a sales pitch to prepare, and I'm nervous.
You'll do great. Just keep it simple and smile a lot.
Thanks for the tip. I'll try not to mess it up.
You won't. You've got the charm for sales.
Appreciate that. Hey, how's your team doing with the new project?
They're doing okay. We're just figuring out the first steps.
That's good. Starting is always the hardest part.
Yeah, it is. But once we get going, it'll be smoother.
I bet. My sales team is pushing hard to hit our targets this month.
That's the spirit. Keep pushing and you'll get there.
Thanks, Alex. We're all in this together, right?
Right, teamwork makes everything easier.
Totally. Hey, I saw a funny meme about office life online. Want to hear it?
Sure, I could use a laugh. What is it?
It's a picture of a guy sleeping at his desk with the caption, "Me after 5 minutes of work."
That's so true sometimes. I feel like that after lunch.
Same here. Lunch makes me so sleepy, it's a struggle.
It's the food coma. We need lighter meals, I think.
Yeah, or more coffee. That's my solution to everything.
Huh? You're addicted, but I can't judge. I'm the same.
Guilty as charged. Hey, did you try the new coffee flavor they added?
Not yet. Is it any good?
It's okay. A bit sweet for me. I like the regular black coffee better.
I'll give it a try tomorrow. I like trying new things sometimes.
Cool. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll change my mind.
Will do. Hey, I better get back to my desk now.
Yeah, me too. Can't hide by the coffee machine all day.
Sadly, no. Catch you later, David.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too. Let's chat again soon.
For sure. Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.